Hey everybody, Kevin at Woodcraft here with our Wood River Dovetail Jig. Dovetail joints are great for a multitude of reasons, and with this economical jig, you can now make them easier than ever. Our jig features a rigid steel body with molded resin end caps that have onboard accessory storage. The tubular steel clamps make sure your boards are held securely in place, while the CNC machined steel template makes sure your joints come out beautifully. The kit comes with a half-blind dovetail template, a half-inch 14-degree dovetail bit with matching guide bushing, and an offset guide block to help easily position your two boards for when you cut your pins and tails at the same time. This can accommodate material up to 12.5 inches wide and half an inch to 1 inch thick. There's also a through dovetail template available separately that comes with both the straight and dovetail bits. The template is easy to position with this lever that adjusts both sides at the same time. It can be held temporarily in place with clamps or secured with bolts for a more permanent solution. To check out one of these jigs for yourself, head over to your local Woodcraft store or online to woodcraft.com.